In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload fonts in Adobe Express. Before we dive in, a quick note on what you'll need. Make sure you have your font files ready on your device. Adobe Express supports .ttf and .otf formats, and each file must be under 512 megabytes. If your font came in a compressed folder, unzip it first. Also, ensure you have the right to use the font for your projects. Start by opening Adobe Express on the web and signing in. Once you're on the homepage, look for Brands. This is where you'll manage your brand kit, which keeps your logos, colors, and custom fonts in one place. Click Brands, then select the brand where you want the font to live. If you work with different clients or teams, choosing the correct brand helps keep everything organized. Inside the brand settings, find the option that says Add Your Fonts, then choose Upload. A dialog will open. Click Add Fonts and browse your device to locate the font file. Select the .ttf or .otf file and confirm. If you have multiple styles of the same family, like regular, bold, and italic, it's a good idea to upload them together so they appear as one family in your font list. Depending on your connection and file size, the upload may take a moment. If you see an error, double-check the file type and size and try again. Once your font is in your brand kit, using it in designs is straightforward. Open or create a design in the Adobe Express editor. Add new text, or click on existing text to select it. In the text panel, open the Fonts drop-down. You'll see an upload option here as well, which works similarly if you prefer to add a font while you're designing. Click Upload, choose Add Fonts, select your .ttf or .otf file, and upload. After the upload completes, your custom font will appear under Uploaded Fonts in the font list. Select it, and your text updates instantly. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment or refresh the editor. From here, you can style your text as usual, adjust size, color, spacing, and alignment, just like any built-in font. That's all there is to it. By adding fonts to your brand kit, you keep your look consistent across projects, and by using the Upload option in the editor, you can work quickly in the moment. Keep your font files organized, ensure they're licensed for your use, and you'll be designing with your own typography in no time.